Namaste and welcome to Voice of Bharat. This bulletin is presented by Ramakrishna Gyan Mandir, which is connected to RSV Vidyapit Group. Let us begin with today's key updates, including Indian news. Today's special day, National Education Day, birth anniversary of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, India's first education minister. Veterans or Remembrance Day marks the end of World War I. Singles Day, global celebration of individuality and shopping. National news, SIT formed to probe adulterated ghee used in Tirumala temple laddus. Explosives recovered from a doctor's home in Faridabad linked to terror activity. Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Delhi to be redeveloped into a sports city. Vande Mataram made mandatory in UP schools and colleges. International news, China introduced K-visa for skilled foreign professionals. 6.7 magnitude earthquake triggers tsunami alerts in Japan. Singapore to levy sustainable aviation fuel tax and fuel tax from next year. US flight disruption continue amid government shutdown. Educational news, CBSE and General. CBSE correction window for class 9 and 11 open from November 14 to 30. Pre-board exams for class 10 and 12 expected in November. Economic news, credit card use rising, boosting spending but raising concern. CBDT launches programs for new Income Tax Act 2025 rollout on April 1, 2026. Economists meet FM to urge higher capital expenditure in budget 2027. Singles Day sales break global records. Sports news, Akash Kumar hits 8 consecutive sixes, fastest 50 in first class cricket. IPL 2026, action likely in Abu Dhabi, mid-December. T20 World Cup Final 2026 to be held at Wankhede Stadium, Mumbai. Weather, clear and sunny, dry weather throughout the day. Maximum temperature expected to be 28 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 16 degrees Celsius and humidity 54%. Light northwest winds with some haze at night. Thought of the day. A book is not merely a book. It is a link between the past and present and between the present and future. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Thank you. Have a great day.